أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Dear students, now the time is 10:30 a.m. So, good morning to all. How are you? I hope you all are well by the Almighty Allah and also fine by the Almighty Allah. Many days have passed, there is no communication between you and me. That is why welcome to the world of English environment and our English online class. Okay, students, I am going to conduct this class in English, so be attentive and be careful. We feel comfortable to hear Bangla, but this is English class, so we have to listen, we have to hear in English. The topic which I will discuss today is comparison of degree. In the previous classes, that means when you are the students of class 8 or 7, you have learned about degree. So I am not describing in detail but in brief. Okay, I repeat, the topic which I will discuss today is comparison of degree. This is the topic, comparison of degree. Okay. We know that degree is of three kinds. Number one, positive degree. Number two, comparative degree. And number three, superlative degree. I repeat, positive degree, comparative degree, and superlative degree. Now I want to say, when you are the students of class 3 or 4, maybe you have learned about syllable. Syllable is of four kinds: monosyllable, disyllable, trisyllable, polysyllable. I repeat, syllable is of four kinds: monosyllable, disyllable, trisyllable, polysyllable. Now I am giving an example. Idol. It is monosyllable. It is disyllable. Education, it is trisyllable. it is polysyllable. I have uttered at once. That is why it is monosyllable. Use full. I have uttered twice. That is why disyllable. Education. Education. I repeat, education. That means education. I have uttered threes. That is why it is trisyllable. Extraordinary. More. I have uttered more. That means it is polysyllable. Okay. Again, look at the whiteboard. P, C, S. Look. Here P means positive degree, C means comparative degree, and S means superlative degree. I repeat, here P means positive degree, C means comparative degree, S means superlative degree. Now I am writing a word. Old, older, oldest. Look, this word is an adjective. This word is an adjective and it is also positive degree. This word is an adjective. I have added ER. I have added ER. That means it is also comparative degree. Old. It is an adjective. I have added EST. That means it is superlative degree. Again, large, larger, largest. Look, it is an adjective. It is an adjective. It is also positive degree because I have written this word under P. Here, large. It is an adjective. I have added R. That means larger. I have written this word under C. That means it is comparative degree. Next, large. It is an adjective. I have added ST. That means largest. I have written this word under S. That means it is superlative degree. Old, large. We will utter at once. These two words we will utter at once. That is why for comparative I have used ER. For superlative I have used EST. For first example. Second, I have used R and ST. That means superlative degree. Okay. Useful. use 1 plus 1, full. Useful. More useful. Most useful. Look, useful, it's an adjective. I have written this word under P, so it is positive degree, and I have uttered twice this word. I have uttered this word twice. I have written under P, so it is positive degree. As I have uttered twice, so I have used more before this word. I have written under C, so more useful, it is comparative degree. I have written most, it is an adjective. I have used before this word most, so it is superlative degree. So if anyone asks you what's the comparative form of old, we will say older. If anyone asks you what's the superlative form of older, we will say oldest. If anyone asks you what's the comparative form of useful, we will say more useful, because this word uttered twice. If anyone asks what's the superlative form of useful, we will say most useful. Okay, here more and here most. Okay. Students, now we will learn how to change from positive to comparative. How to change from positive to comparative? P. Here P means positive degree. Here P means positive degree. Okay. I am writing an example. No other metal is as useful as iron. I have written example, no other metal is as useful as iron. This is positive degree. If we transform this positive degree into comparative, we have to follow a shortcut structure. What is that? Last subject plus verb plus CP form of adjective plus then any other plus the rest of. Okay, this is subject, that means last subject. This is subject, that means last subject, continuous. Shortcut structure. If we transform this positive degree into comparative, we have to follow this structure. This is one kind of formula. How is the system? At first I have written last subject. In the sentence, last subject is iron. So I will write iron plus then verb. Here verb is. I will write is. That means iron is. CP. Here CP means comparative degree. CP means comparative degree. The comparative form of adjective. This is adjective. Useful. Its comparative form is more useful plus than any other. Than any other plus rest of. That means matter. Matter. This is for positive degree. This is for positive degree. So we won't write this. I repeat, please look at the hotboard. Positive. No other metal is as useful as iron. If we transform this positive degree into comparative, we have to follow this structure for easily understanding. Last subject. In the sentence, last subject is iron. So at the beginning I have written last subject, I have written iron. Okay. Then verb. Here verb is. I have written is. Then CP, that means comparative form of adjective. It is adjective. It is adjective, so its comparative form is more useful than any other. I have written than any other. The rest of means metal. Metal. As no other will be cut. Okay. So this is the easy technique of transforming from positive degree to comparative. Okay. So dear students, time is up. So that's all for the time being. And in the next class we will learn about this. Okay. Thank you to all. Till then, Allah Hafiz.